What is Tosca? Why is Tosca so popular? Tosca is a powerful automation testing tool used to test web applications, mobile apps, APIs, and desktop applications. Why is Tosca so popular? Tosca is widely used by enterprise companies because it provides no code automation. This is the biggest reason for popularity. Even non-programmers can start automation testing using Tosca. And it has faster automation development and it has model-based test automation. Model-based test automation means instead of writing code repeatedly, we can create modules and we can reuse it. Model-based testing is one of the strongest features of Tosca and it supports multiple technologies. Tosca can automate web applications, mobile apps, desktop apps, APIs, SAP, and Salesforce applications as well. And it has easy maintenance and we can do end-to-end testing support as well. Thank you.